the record, I'm not trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to grow things down for you. For the record, lab only going all the way. For the
Hey, it's your girl, Zoe, aka Melanated Beauty, back with you guys again for another awesome YouTube video. And as you can see, I'm wearing my blue shirt. So if you have been keeping up with my videos, you already know what the blue shirt means, y'all. It's time for a hair video. So today is hair day for me and my entire family, okay? So I decided to do a hot oil treatment because it's been like a whole month since I did my hair, y'all. So I gotta replenish it. I gotta put some moisture and some oils and nutrients all back in it. So I decided to do this video for you guys on how I do my hot oil treatment. It's gonna be quick and easy as far as video goes because this oil gonna have to sit in there for like 30 minutes. When you do your hot oil treatment, you can leave it in there overnight, but you want to make sure your hair is protected so you're not getting oil all over your pillows and your sheets and stuff because, yeah, we don't need a mess. We don't need a mess. So I'm just shaking up my oil because this oil turns into a solid when it's cool. It is hot. That's the purpose of a hot oil treatment. You want hot oil. Not hot enough to burn your scalp though, okay? So here I have my tea tree and jojoba oil, hair and scalp oil. It is good. It says on here it's good for deep conditioning and scalp. All of the oil that I use is good and it promotes healthy hair and hair growth. In this bottle here, I have my Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint oil in it. Peppermint oil is awesome because it provides shine, it helps fight dandruff, lice, all that stuff. And like I said, it promotes hair growth because the peppermint oil in it stimulates your hair follicles. You know, if you use regular like peppermint soap, you can feel the tingling sensation and all of that stuff just working. It's magic. So underneath this scarf, my hair looks one hell of a hot mess. So y'all finna see. It look a mess, like I said, cause I ain't, you know, had my hair done in a month. Ain't washed it in a month, so it looks a mess. It's looking real rough and dry and dusty and dirty. So yeah, I'm not gonna use a comb. I'm gonna be finger combing my hair for this hot oil treatment here. So y'all, I got some shedding going on because it is tangled. It looks a mess. Oh, pop the earring out. You know what I look like right now? That the hand thingy looking crazy. So I'm gonna take some water and spray it. I will be sectioning my hair out here. I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment today and a deep conditioning on it. So I'm just doing all of these. Look at that length though, but the shrinkage is real. It's been about a year since I did got my ends clipped and flat ironed it, so it's about time for me to get that done. This year I'm gonna do something new and go to the shop and actually get my hair straightened. You guys know that I usually straighten it myself, but I had a queen that wants to do my hair for me and restore some life in it, you know. I mean, I can restore life in it myself. That's why I'm doing this video. But I think I'm going to add more heat to my hair this year, professionally, straighten and see how much my hair actually grows this, you know, in a year's time with me getting it flat ironed instead of my once a year flat iron and trim. So like I said, I'm just finger combing my hair here. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm gonna do this process to my entire head. so I can add these oils in it. As you can see, it's kind of like trying to turn back into a solid, so I'm keeping. All right, so I don't know why my camera just decided to like cut off like that. Who has time for that? Not me. So my hair is finger detangled as much as I'm gonna finger detangle it right now. So we're gonna start putting this oil in it. And using these kind of tubes is the best because you don't wanna be making a mess. It goes right on your hair. And of course this one says no drip formula because the hole on here is very small. You guys can't really see that, but yeah. Pretty sure a bunch of you ladies kind of already know to use that kind. So I'm just gonna section out my hair just a little bit. And I did not mix my oils together in one bottle because this is the one I use on the entire household. And I don't use this on my husband's hair. So we're not gonna mix them all together, and I didn't have an extra bottle, my own personal bottle, to mix it in. So I'm gonna start with this one. And what I did to heat up my oil was I put it in a pot and added some hot water to it and let it warm up that way. If you put it on a stove and you let it boil like that, you can actually overboil it and take out those nutrients that are in your oil. So you really don't want to do that too much. So I've added the Jamaican black castor oil here. You want to get it all in your scalp. You don't have to, make sure you use enough. You don't want to use just a little bit. You want to have enough in there because you're trying to add that shine and those nutrients back into your hair. This is terrible. This is a mess that I have that much coming out right now. It's a mess. It is. So then I'm going to go in with this here. Squeeze that all up in there. All on my scalp. And I'm going to add some in my hand here. That's how thick it is. I don't want that. Because it's hard for it to get on my scalp. And you want to make sure you're getting your ends. Focus on your ends and your scalp. Rub it all the way through. Rub it all the way through. I still have my damaged part here, which blows me when I do my hair. So I'm going to add a few drops of that. And rub that on my ends. There. And I'm going to twist this section. Now this is what you're going to do to your entire head. You're gonna put your oil onto your scalp, a generous amount onto your scalp. Rub it in, massage it in for as long as you choose. You want to do a nice amount of time because it's going to stimulate that oil into your hair. Now you can even go back in here and add more oil if you want to. Just rub it in like that. Okay? So like I said, you're going to do this to your entire head here. I'm going to add a little bit more water back here because it is going to, the water is going to help seal some of that oil in as well. So you see my fingers are going through here. I'm not using a regular brush or a regular comb. And of course, my babies are up. So you will be hearing me talk to them, okay? They want to be in the video, but they can't, so back up a little bit. Adding a generous amount to my scalp. So that is fine. Back up a little bit. And it's still warm. Nothing like that warm oil. Alright. Adding that onto my scalp. Y'all. The shedding is ridiculous. Oh my god. Alright. Do this to your entire head, ladies. Alright. And twisting it up, twisting it up, twisting it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and I will be putting a plastic bag on top as well as my hair dryer cap, and I'll be sitting under the dryer for about 30 minutes so the oil can really work into my scalp. And then once I get done with that, I will be back to you guys to show you what it looks like when I get done with a deep. So I'm back, and I've had the oil in my hair for probably about, let's see, when I put it on, probably about to get like 4 hours. Yeah, probably about to get like 4 hours or whatever. So I just washed it out and put it up into this bun. And as you can see from the bun, it's like, you know, real shiny there. Of course that looks shiny because it's just the damaged part right there, but alright, so this is it. And yeah, I feel like it definitely has some shine to it. What's going on there? Definitely still has shine, which is great. Like, stretch it out and you can definitely see the shine in it. And it's soft and easy to run your fingers through. And of course I always detangle it when I'm rinsing my hair out, washing it out anyway, so it just makes it even more easier. But it definitely brought some life back to my hair. I used some tea tree mint by OGX to rinse and wash it out. Look at it, that shine, that shine. So my hair is still smelling good, smelling like peppermint still. So yes, here it is, here it is, here it is. I swear the shrinkage be so real, man. It's like all the way down there, a little bit further. Like, put on her. Y'all still can't even see that. But yes, so I am going to be trying something different with my hair. Something simple, but yet different that I haven't done before, which you probably would think I would have done by now, but I haven't. So definitely hit the subscribe button so you guys can stay tuned for my next video, so you guys can see how I'm gonna style all of this luxurious hair. But yes, this was my hot oil treatment video. This is cute. I could leave it like this, but it's not gonna stay like this. It's gonna poof up. Like, it's not gonna stay like this. It's not. And now I did it again. Where'd my earring out? Now, I could stretch my hair and it would stay like this, but I'm not. It is. Yes, still got some oil and some shine to it. Yes. But I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up and get ready to style it. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you tap the bell. Tap it. And comment below what you guys would like to see next in some of my videos. And I got you. More hair videos coming up, more nail videos coming up. Stay tuned. Peace, love, and hair grease.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we ain't trying to grow that stone for you.